What is going on, world? This is Curtis from Midwest Pro Tech. So today I'm going to go over a few particular things that we've been getting question-wise here more recently. A lot of people have actually asked us, how do you defrag a computer? All right. Well, I can provide you with the easy steps in doing so, and I'm going to go through that today. However, I do want to make you aware within this situation, only defragmenting your computer isn't going to make your computer run lightning fast. Okay. Does it help? Yes. But does it potentially fix the problem to its entirety? Not really. So I'm going to go ahead and provide you with a few steps. So let's begin. First and foremost, vast majority of the time when you're opening a start menu and you're using Windows 10, it'll look merely similar to this. Now, this is the general layout for Windows 10. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go based off this. All right. Excuse me. Now, when you're doing this, if you go ahead and click on the start menu, which is this little Windows emblem down here on the bottom, okay, after you've done that, if you type in disk defrag, notice, excuse me, notice how it opens up defragment and optimize files. So what does that mean? That means the same thing. It's opening disk defragmenter. So if I go ahead and press enter after it's highlighted or go ahead and click on it, what happens is it opens disk defragmenter. Now, for those of you who may be unaware, this is actually a really good way to tell whether or not you have a solid state drive in your computer. Most of the time under the media type right here, as you can see, it will say solid state drive. It may say a hard disk drive, might even say solid state hybrid drive. But what I can tell you, vast majority of the time, is all it will say is solid state drive or hard disk drive. Now, back to what we were mentioning before, if you go ahead and click on your C drive is the main drive of your computer, how everything is up and running. Now, unless you make it a different drive, vast majority of the time, this is it. So if I go ahead and click on that and I select optimize, what happens? Well, it trims the file. So trimming, it'll go ahead and go through that process, and then it'll start the defragment process. Now, as you had already noticed, the computer itself is running through it lightning fast. Well, why is it doing that, Curtis? Well, the reason being is because I have a solid state drive and I've already run disk defragmenter on multiple occasions. With that being the case, my computer runs lightning fast, which is a lot of the reasons behind why we recommend all of our clients obtaining a solid state hard drive. Now, notice I also have my personal drive. So my computer takes two drives, a primary and a secondary. With this being that case right there, I would do the same. Just go ahead and optimize the drive, at which point it gives me the date and the time and shows me the status. And of course, as we had already mentioned, it optimizes your drive entirely and gets it to where it's at least proficiently running. Now, be very mindful. A lot of the steps that are within our optimization process are nowhere near this. All right. There's a lot more many more steps within our optimization process that we don't give out to the general public, but what we can tell you is this particular form of work right here is what's potentially going to help you out. So if you're just looking to keep your computer defragmented, or if you're just looking to figure out what kind of hard drive that you have, this is the particular program and particular procedure that you're going to want to follow. So, but for now, like I said, this is how you defragment your computer. If you guys have any questions or concerns, feel free to give us a call here in the office, 513-322-1306. If you want to speak with me directly, my extension is 111, or you can also email me at curtis@midwestprotech.com. Also, we're open Monday through Thursday from 8:30 to 6 and Fridays from 8:30 to 5. If you guys have any questions, feel free to give us a call. Have a good one. Deuces.